Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a message on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. Then I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages. I'm going to click on the symbol on the top right, and then I'm going to schedule a message in this group chat. For example, I'm going to open up my group chat, and then I'm going to type in a message. I'm going to schedule this message guys, for example, but wait, let me finish the text. Okay, like this. And if you want to schedule a message on Instagram direct messages, we can click on the send button. We can tap and hold on the send button like this until the schedule message option appear on your screen. And you can choose the date and time to send the message. Time zone is based on your device settings. Okay, and I'm going to select the date first. I'm going to select this one, for example, 60 of December, 16, and I'm going to select 10 p.m. for the time. Okay, and once you're ready to finish it, you can click on send on the date and time like this. Okay, and now the message has been scheduled, and I'm going to show you how we can schedule message and a personal chat. Just go to the personal chat in your Instagram direct messages, for example this one, and then type in your message like so, and then you can tap and hold on this button until the schedule message appear. And then you're going to set the date and time you want to use to send the message. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to click on send. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to schedule message on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.